What if your home was no longer a sanctuary but a place from which you were expelled? This is the reality for many UK migrants who face the looming threat of deportation to Rwanda. This story begins in the summer of 2022, when the UK High Court made a landmark ruling. Despite the outcry from charities and a trade union, the court sanctioned the deportation of asylum seekers to Rwanda, a decision that could affect as many as 130 individuals. The court dismissed an injunction to halt the first scheduled flight, citing public interest in implementing immigration decisions. The decision drew sharp criticism from international human rights lawyer Jeffrey Robertson, who condemned the policy as unethical and unchristian. Meanwhile, United Nations officials and refugee groups expressed concern about the safety and human rights implications of the plan. Yet, the UK government defended the policy as a necessary measure to combat criminal smuggling gangs and protect public interest. Fast forward to the summer of 2023, the United Kingdom's controversial illegal migration bill, designed to restrict asylum claims and deport migrants, came under fire. The United Nations criticized the bill for violating international human rights and refugee law. Politicians, lawyers, and civil rights groups joined the chorus of disapproval, branding the bill as inhumane and ineffective. Despite amendments proposed in the House of Lords to offer greater protections for vulnerable groups, these were defeated. The plan to send asylum seekers to Rwanda faced legal challenges, and deportation flights were unlikely to begin until the following year, pending a Supreme Court ruling. The government's use of barges to house migrants also sparked controversy. So here we are in the present day, with the issue of UK migrants being sent to Rwanda still a hot topic. The story continues to evolve, with legal challenges yet to be resolved, and the Supreme Court ruling still pending. The UK's approach to immigration has shifted drastically from the welcoming narrative of the past, as illustrated by the resettlement of Ugandan Asians in 1972. This tale of migration, legislation, and human rights is a complex one, with no clear end in sight. As we continue to navigate these murky waters, we are reminded of the human stories at the heart of policy decisions. The question remains, is the protection of public interest synonymous with the violation of human rights?